Ciumia nyinyi hituku niguo mutongoria wa Florida gitari William Ruto amurire na kunyabara kuhitithio kwa majaji na igoti ria gucokia ciira riko na gwikira mayutungata wa ruhonge ruru kuri muingi. Na umuthi Mucirithania munene Martha Koome atinda kaunti ya Nakuru mihango-ini ya kuhingura igoti rieru ria gucokia ciira riko na riria ritanyitwo gutungatira muingi wa Nakuru na makiria gicigo kia Rift Valley. Igoti riri na riria rihinguritwo nyumba-ini njeru ya igoti ria Nakuru rigukorwo ri mucii kwa majaji na ario ni Weldon Korir, Fred Ochieng na Lydia Achode magitongorio ni Mucirithania Fatuma Sichale.
The people of the Rift Valley, the expansive Rift Valley, running from Turkana to the north of Narok County to the south, will no longer have to travel either to Nairobi or to Nyeri to wait for the Court of Appeal circuit visits. They have their court right here.
Guku akiranira kwanjirio gwa cikaro cia mahinda kwa mahinda cia igoti tariri mwena wa Eldoret, Martha Koome augite ari na mwihoko igoti riri ni rikunyihia muthianiriro wa maciira. Munini wake Philomena Mwiru akiuria majaji aya gutungatira muingi na njira yao mwana kihoto.
Expectations are extremely high on the expeditious resolution of disputes in this court. So you must go right ahead there and reduce that pending backlog. Nothing less is expected of you.
The social transformation through access to justice, where we continuously make interventions to ensure our justice system is accessible, is also cost effective, is timely, and it is efficient.
Igoti riri ni ria gatano ria gikiro giki bururi-ini thutha wa igoti ria Nairobi, Mombasa, Nyeri na Kisumu na ritanyitwo kumurika kihiri kia maciira maria mathianiriire kwa ihinda. Mucirithania Fatuma Sichale akiuga mari cemba gutungatira muingi. Mwena-ini wake gavana wa Nakuru Susan Kihikani eraniire unyitaniri wa thirikari ya Nakuru na ruhonge rwa Mucirithania naho kuria ruhonge ruru guteithiriria honge ingi cia thirikari hari ukinyaniria wa motungata kuri muingi.
Injunctions of this nature have affected our ability to collect revenue, a key enabler to provide service to the people. So I wish to appeal for the implementation of a favorable case management system in all cases involving government institutions, including the county governments. I'll provide pieces of land at Oleguroni and Solai areas to enable the judiciary to put up court facilities as previously requested.
Girifotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nakuru ritwa ria kwano wa ng'ombe wa Maina.